Well, good morning, Nikki. When it comes to the joy of DIY, it's like each project offers a home or self-improvement opportunity. You're starting with paint projects that are also home improvement projects.
Yes, I have a list of items that work for the DIYer in your life or yourself if you like to do items at home. Starting off with paint, I like to add a fresh new life to dated furniture in the home. Recently, I repainted 40-year-old furniture and I made it look fresh and new again. I like to paint things like pots and photo frames using Valspar paints that you can purchase at Lowe's and this cobalt sander, which really makes your surfaces really smooth before you begin painting.
All right, very good tip. You've highlighted winter planting as a gift idea. This sounds like a really good energy kind of project.
Yes, Teresa, I don't know about you, but I love cooking with fresh herbs and vegetables from my garden. But in the winter, that can be a little tough. And I hear there's a lettuce shortage, right? So why not grow some lettuce at home yourself? I got you guys covered with this all-in-one growing kit at home that you can put 12 pods in, 12 different types of herbs, and you can choose from over 25 pre-seeded plant pods, or even transfer your plants with developed roots from your garden and bring them right into your home. So this is called the Vega Home Kit, and it can be found at Lowe's as well.
Awesome. There's hope for the time in my garden then. Okay, now ultimately for a DIYer is to share the joy of getting it done, maybe even grow a DIYer yourself.
Correct. Well, we know our kids like to mimic what we do, so why not get your child this Christmas their very own build set? So it's a toolbox for kids. It comes with a wrench, a hammer, a screwdriver, and you can even purchase these really incredible race car kits that they can actually build themselves using their new tools. And of course, accompanying them, you can take part as well with your very own adult-sized toolbox. I picked up one myself because look at all these items. You need to stay organized somehow. So there you go. And also this DIY snowman kit, it's a snow spray paint kit. So when it does snow, very exciting, get outside with the family and add some faces and snowflakes and designs on the snowman. So I love that for at-home crafts with the family.
All right, Nikki, we're down to 30 seconds. Any last words for the DIYer?
Lastly, for everyone who just creates everything and anything at home or puts things together, here is a 4-in-1 Cobalt set, which comes with a drill, a saw, a screwdriver, a flashlight, and you can get all these drill bits that go with it from Craftsman, and of course a shop vac, which helps clean up the mess that you do at the end. And lastly, I want to leave this on a cheery and bright note. These gorgeous GE lights you can add at the bottom of your cupboards, which enhance and lighten up the mood in your home this holiday. It's beautiful, and you can actually connect it to your Google Home device.
Niki Anastasakis, lifestyle host. Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
Talks Around Town with Niki Anastasakis. Follow her on Instagram at Niki Anna.